In today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 passive income products you can create and sell using just Canva or Kittl, even if you don't consider yourself a designer and you're starting with zero experience. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley Robetz, and this is Side Hustle Mastery, where we help creators and entrepreneurs build real income using digital products, email marketing, and simple systems that actually work. If you've been wanting to start a side hustle or add new income streams to what you're already doing, but don't want to deal with inventory, shipping, or tons of tech, digital products are one of the best ways to go. Let's walk through the 5 most profitable, beginner-friendly digital products you can make and start selling this month. Product number 1 is printable planners and trackers. This is one of the most in-demand categories for digital products and also one of the easiest to create in Canva or Kittl. You can create daily, weekly, or monthly planners, goal-setting worksheets, habit trackers, meal prep logs, water intake or cycle trackers, budgeting sheets, gratitude journals. People are constantly looking for structure in their life, and if you can give them a clean, easy-to-follow printable, they'll happily pay for it. This works because these products are low cost and high value. They're super easy for your audience to download, print, and start using immediately. You can also use the templates to build themed bundles throughout the year, like back to school or New Year reset. You can use Canva to create multiple page planners, or Kittl if you want something a bit more polished and design forward. If you want to check out either of them, the links are in the description, but I am going to be using Canva really quickly to show you. So personally, I use the Canva Pro plan, but that doesn't mean you can't get by with the Canva free plan for now. I will say a couple of things that I would not be able to live without, which is why I have the Pro plan, is the 1 terabyte of cloud storage. That the 5 gigabytes goes by really fast. The remove backgrounds, I use that literally every single day, and resizing. So for example, if I wanted to change something from an Instagram story to maybe a Instagram post, that's something that I use a lot. And then all of the premium templates are pretty fire too, and then I use the brand kit as well. So you can get started with the free plan and then upgrade after that. But what I love about Canva is all of how easy it is to design things and how many templates they have. So let's just say we wanted to design a habit tracker. All of these we can use and make our own and then sell them. So you want to make sure you're creating something that feels authentic to you and something that you would actually use. But here you can come in here, you can edit the text. You can, if you have the upgraded, you can change it to your colors. You can add your own photos as well. There's so many other tools too. So you can make it your own really, really easily. You also can sell these products through Thrivecart for one-time purchases or bundle them as a part of a monthly email-based membership using Beehive or Active Campaign. Product number 2 is social media templates for creators or coaches. If your audience includes other entrepreneurs, coaches, or creators, social media templates are a must-have. These are Canva or Kittl templates that people can customize to fit their brand. You don't just sell a PDF, you can give them a link to their own editable file. So you can create packs like Instagram carousel templates, Pinterest pin templates, reel cover templates, client testimonials, quote graphics, product mock-ups, branded lead magnet layouts. This works because so many creators struggle to show up consistently because the design process takes too long. Your template pack gives them the confidence and speed to post without overthinking, and you only need to create it once. You can resell the same template pack over and over again. All you would do is, let's just say we go to create, just say we want to do Instagram square. And then from here, you can create the templates directly on here. And then all you'll have to do is change this to anyone with the link, and then you can give them that link when you want to sell it. Yeah, again, you can sell it on Thrivecart or use email to upsell additional bundles, brand kits, or even seasonal packs later on. Product number 3 is lead magnet and freebie templates. So another great option, especially if you want to serve small business owners or creators, is creating plug and play lead magnet templates. So these are PDF checklists, freebie guides, ebook templates, welcome packet designs, resource list layouts, start here mini guides. You can niche these down by industry as well, like wellness coaches, mindset mentors, nutritionists, virtual assistants, and more. This works because everyone knows they need to grow an email list, but most people don't know how to design something that looks professional. If you can give them something polished, strategic, and easy to edit, it's honestly a no-brainer to buy. Plus, you're helping them grow their business, which makes your product high value and easy to price in a $27 to $97 range. If you want to check out Kittl, the link is in the description below, and you can actually try out a free plan. So once you click sign up, we will be brought here and it will ask you what you want to create. So maybe we'll go with, I'm going to go with publishing. Cool. Now we've got our blank artboard. And then from here, they actually have AI. So you can create from scratch. Maybe we want to make this more of an ebook size. So let's zoom in a bit. So now maybe we're selling an ebook template, right? So you can add a heading and maybe it's an ebook for, maybe it's a recipe ebook template. So then people can come in here and add in their own recipes. So you can add in the title, you can add in, maybe we'll just type in wellness and then, yep, we can add this. Maybe we want this to be, right? Maybe, can we push this to the backwards? Cool. Now we've got recipe book template. Okay, cool. Now we're on page 2 and maybe what we want to do is, now maybe we'll add a mask so they can insert. So this is where they would insert the picture. We can add our own title, of course, or we can add something that they already have. Of course, make it custom to you. You want to make it cute, but this is just to show you how you can actually use Kittl. And then maybe you want to change the background, whatever it may be, but Kittl is also very design forward. So it's got the drag and drop editor similar to Canva. One thing that is really cool is they have AI, so you can just type something that you would want to create and it will create the photo for you, which is pretty cool. And then you can just drag that in as well. You also can use mock-ups as well, which is pretty cool. Healthy food kind of looks cartoonish, but anyways, you get the point. You can make this work for you. Product number 4 is to print on demand digital art or quote graphics. This one leans more creative, but it's still super scalable and passive. If you enjoy designing typography, I would definitely recommend Kittl for this one. But what you can do is create motivational quote prints, holiday or seasonal wall art, affirmation cards, spiritual, minimal, or boho style graphics, printable art bundles for home or office decor. These are sold on Etsy, your own storefront, or via email as instant downloads. You can also license them to other businesses if you want to go wholesale or B2B. This works because people want affordable printable art, and platforms like Etsy make it really easy for you to be found. You don't have to do custom designs. You can use the same template across different styles and just change the colors or phrases. Again, I would highly recommend using Kittl for this if you want really aesthetic typography and vintage designs. You can offer single printables or theme bundles like 30 days of confidence affirmations, positive prints for your desk, gratitude wall art set. You can also sell these as bonuses inside other digital products or challenges. So again, you can just come into Kittl, maybe create a new project. Maybe you want it to be, more like a poster size, and you can find photos in here. I know I bought some coffee prints from Etsy before, or if you want to do just some typography with a fancy quote, they have so much in here that you can just, right? So edit this, make a cute quote, something like that. Product number 5 is digital product templates. So last but not least, if you've created digital products and figured out the process, you can sell templates that help other people do the same thing. This works whether you're in the wellness space, online business education, or creative niches. You can create ebook or guide templates, product sales page outlines for Canva, webinar slide decks, launch checklists, digital product planners. This works because once people realize they want to make money with digital products, they look for shortcuts. If you can give them a template for the thing they're trying to build, especially if it looks good and saves them time, they will happily pay for it. You're not just selling a design, you're saving them hours of effort. So take the exact information you use to build your own digital product and strip out your personal branding. Then turn it into a template with fill in the blank instructions. You can use Canva or Kittl to design it and sell it using Thrivecart. You can even bundle it with a short Loom video walkthrough or workbook. Digital products are one of the smartest and simplest ways to earn passive income online, and Canva and Kittl make it so much easier than ever to get started. You don't need to be a designer, you just need to solve a problem, show up with value, and use the right tools to share your work. You can make any of the items that we talked about this weekend. You can sell them forever. You can build a whole business around them. You can make any of these products in just a weekend. You can sell them forever, and you just have to build them one time. If you want to check out any of the tools I mentioned today, all the links are down in the description below. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use them, we just want to thank you so much for your support in advance. This channel, Side Hustle Mastery, is dedicated to helping creators and service-based entrepreneurs build sustainable online income using digital products, email marketing, and simple systems so you can grow your business, earn more freedom, and stop trading your time for money. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.